Comparing Galaxy Z Fold 4 versus S22 Ultra is the better choice if you need the best Android phones available. Fold 4 is the greatest folding phone yet, with minimal multitasking abilities, whereas the S22 Ultra gives the best display you've ever seen. Samsung Fold 4 versus S22 Ultra. Which do you prefer? Fold or not to fold specs comparison. Design and display. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is more expensive for a reason. Thanks to its ingenious folding screen design, it can function as both a phone and a mini tablet. To utilize the gadget in its folded position necessitates an additional screen, which adds to the item's already high price. The Z Fold 4 sports a 6.2-inch display when closed, with a resolution of 2316 by 904. When open, the 7.6-inch display has a resolution of 2176 by 1812, making it significantly more squared off than its predecessors. It's worth noting that both displays feature 120 Hz refreshing AMOLED technology, with dimensions of 6.1 by 2.6 by 0.55 to 0.62 inches and a weight of 9.28 ounces. The Z Fold 4 is noticeably larger than its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 3. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is designed with a single big screen that measures 6.8 inches and sports a resolution of 3088 by 1440 pixels. The S22 Ultra has a significant advantage over the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and is thinner and lighter. While both phones are compatible with the S Pen, the S22 Ultra comes with one already attached and stores it in a dedicated dock when not in use. This is what Samsung meant when they said, "Every year, we push the limits of technology, developing breakthrough innovations that empower you to do more." And this year, our next generation of Galaxy is greater than before, so you can do more than more. Cameras. Cameras on earlier Galaxy Fold devices from Samsung were lacking, but with the Z Fold 4, Samsung has improved upon this by achieving parity with the camera setups found on the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus. A 50-megapixel primary camera works in tandem with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, allowing for a combined 3 times optical zoom and 30 times spatial zoom.
Wow, that's awesome.
The Galaxy S22 Ultra surpasses even this with its 108-megapixel primary camera, albeit with a drop to 10 megapixel on its ultra-wide one. However, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has the upper hand when it comes to taking selfies, with a 10-megapixel camera on the front and a 4-megapixel camera hidden under the screen on the internal tablet. The superior quality rear cameras can also be used for selfies, which is great news if you don't mind utilizing the front screen as a viewfinder. In comparison, the S22 Ultra only boasts a single selfie camera, albeit a high-quality one. It has a 40-megapixel resolution and an 80-degree viewing angle. This is an area where Fold 4 falls short. Now that we know the S22 outshines the Fold 4 on camera, let's test out performance capabilities to see who wins. You shouldn't lose out on Samsung's future technological advances. Stay abreast of the most recent developments at Samsung by subscribing to the Samsung Newsroom with notifications turned on. Performance and battery. The Galaxy Z Fold 4's Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor may seem like a little upgrade from the S22 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, but the true story is in the thermals. Whether you're multitasking for work or playing a resource-intensive game, either model will perform flawlessly. However, the S22 Ultra is considerably more prone to overheat after prolonged use. The S22 Ultra has excellent battery life out of the box, lasting for over 24 hours with about 6 hours of screen time. This number goes up when you tweak the device's settings, and while it won't win any awards for battery life, it's great considering the technology it's powering.
Cheers to that.
The Z Fold 4's folding design makes it trickier to find a good spot for the battery. Even more, Pixels require energy to function. The improved Snapdragon APU is the main weapon against this drain, as it is around 10% more efficient than its predecessor. You won't experience throttling from overheating, even if you're playing games outside in the scorching sun, thanks to its improved heat management compared to the Z Fold 3. In general, the Z Fold 4 necessitates more vigilant battery life monitoring than the S22 Ultra. In almost all cases, though, it should have enough power to see you through the full workday. When it comes to charging time, the S22 Ultra is far superior. Compared to many high-end smartphones, the Z Fold 4's rapid charging mode's maximum speed of 25 watts is disappointingly slow. However, S22 Ultra's 45-watt charging speeds are plenty for most individuals. It's worth noting that both gadgets support 15-watt wireless charging and 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging, making them ideal for powering up portable items like headphones. The new Foldable excels in software and some other designated features away from what seems like the total defeat of Fold 4. Do you want to know which special features? Hang on, we're getting into it. Software and special features. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 excels in this regard. The Fold's main 7.6-inch display supports multitasking with up to 3 apps simultaneously, and transferring data between them is a breeze. Call Samsung the guardian of the Galaxy. Flex Mode, included on the Z Fold 4, repositions the screen's content above the navigation bar and its controls below it. This enables you to shoot images without a tripod, make video calls without holding the camera, and more. With Android 12L, the Z Fold 4 will be able to run more apps that take advantage of its larger display. The S Pen is the Galaxy S22 Ultra's most distinctive feature, allowing you to write notes, draw, and do other things directly on the screen. Moreover, the pen may be kept within the phone when it's not in use, unlike the Z Fold 4. Strangely, the less expensive Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra still comes out on top in numerous comparisons. It is more affordable without sacrificing any of the features you care about, such as a brighter screen, better cameras, or an S Pen. A more adaptable flagship is the Galaxy Z Fold 4. It's like having a phone and a tablet in one convenient package, and the huge screen and responsive software make it effortless to switch between different applications. In terms of raw productivity, it's like carrying around a miniaturized personal computer. Due to its low price and convenient size, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be the preferred choice of most consumers. But you'll be impressed if you can get past the Galaxy Z Fold 4's larger form factor. Also, just in time to complement your new foldable smartphone, are the Galaxy Buds Pro. No one knows for sure if Samsung built on the history of its premium wireless earbuds. Watch our next video, The Truth About Galaxy Bud Pro versus Galaxy Bud 2, What You Don't Know Yet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.